Hey everyone, it's Zoe here. Today, we're diving into some effortless solutions for 99% of your daily challenges. Let's be honest, life can get a little crazy sometimes, right? Between work, family, friends, and trying to squeeze in a little me time, it often feels like there are never enough hours in the day. But what if I told you that it doesn't have to be this way? We're going to transform those everyday struggles into simple solutions, so you can spend less time stressing and more time enjoying life's little pleasures. Let's make life a little easier, shall we? Let's be real, mornings can be rough. The alarm goes off and all you want to do is stay in bed for just a few more minutes. You hit that snooze button one too many times, and before you know it, you're running late. Then suddenly you're scrambling to get ready and everything feels rushed. You barely have time to brush your teeth, let alone enjoy your morning. But what if I told you that your morning routine could be the key to unlocking a calmer, happier you? Imagine starting your day with a smile instead of stress. And no, I'm not talking about waking up at 5 a.m. to meditate and journal, unless that's your thing. You don't have to overhaul your entire life to make a difference. I'm talking about simple, practical hacks that will streamline your mornings and set you up for success. Small changes can lead to big improvements. Think about it. Laying out your outfit the night before eliminates those frantic "I have nothing to wear" moments. It saves you precious time and mental energy. And prepping a quick and healthy breakfast? It's a game changer. Whether it's overnight oats or a smoothie, having something ready to go makes mornings smoother. Well, that means no more skipping the most important meal of the day. A nutritious breakfast fuels your body and mind, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. These little tweaks might seem small, but trust me, they make a world of difference. By incorporating these hacks, you can transform your mornings from chaotic to calm. Another tip: set your alarm a few minutes earlier than usual. This gives you a buffer to wake up slowly and start your day without feeling rushed. Incorporate light stretches or deep breathing exercises right after waking up. It helps to energize your body and clear your mind. Consider keeping a gratitude journal. Writing down a few things you're thankful for each morning can shift your mindset to a more positive outlook. Lastly, automate what you can. Set a timer on your coffee maker or prepare your work bag the night before. These small steps can make your mornings feel effortless. With these hacks, you'll find yourself more organized, less stressed, and ready to take on the day with confidence. So why not give them a try? Your future self will thank you. Okay, let's talk food. We're all busy, and sometimes the last thing we have energy for is spending hours in the kitchen. But guess what? Eating healthy doesn't have to mean slaving over a hot stove every night. With a little bit of planning and some clever meal prep, you can enjoy delicious homemade meals even on your busiest days. Imagine this. You open your fridge after a long day, and instead of reaching for takeout menus, you're greeted by colourful salads in jars, pre-portioned snacks, and a delicious casserole just waiting to be popped in the oven. Sounds pretty good, right? Hands up if you ever feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day. Yeah, me too. It's a common feeling, especially in our fast-paced world where it seems like there's always something demanding our attention. Whether it's work, family, or personal projects, the list never seems to end. But what if I told you that the secret to a more balanced life isn't about magically creating more time, but about making the most of the time we already have? It's about being intentional with our minutes and seconds and making sure that our actions align with our priorities. It's all about working smarter, not harder. By focusing on efficiency and effectiveness, we can accomplish more in less time, leaving us with extra hours to relax and enjoy life. We're going to dive into some super easy time management tips that will help you prioritize tasks, beat procrastination, and free up more time for the things you love. Imagine having the ability to tackle your to-do list with confidence and still have time left over for hobbies, family, and self-care. From creating a realistic to-do list that you can actually stick to breaking down big projects into smaller, more manageable chunks, you'll find that these strategies make even the most daunting tasks feel achievable. These simple strategies will have you feeling like a productivity pro in no time. So, get ready to transform your daily routine and reclaim your time. Let's get started on this journey to better time management and a more fulfilling life. Chapter 4: Stress Relief Techniques. Let's face it, life can be stressful. Work deadlines, family commitments, that never-ending to-do list. It's enough to make anyone feel a little overwhelmed sometimes. But here's the good news. Managing stress doesn't have to mean booking an expensive spa day, although those are lovely. There are so many simple, practical techniques you can incorporate into your daily routine to find a little more peace and calm. We're talking about everything from deep breathing exercises to mindful moments to getting lost in a good book. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Chapter 5. Home Organization Tricks. Okay, let's talk about clutter. We've all been there. That drawer you're afraid to open, the mountain of clothes threatening to take over your bedroom, the stack of papers you swear you're going to sort through one day. But what if I told you that a tidy home could actually lead to a more peaceful mind? It's true. When your surroundings are organized, it's amazing how much calmer and more in control you feel. But don't worry, I'm not going to suggest any extreme KonMari method overhauls. We're focusing on easy, practical tips that will make a big difference. Chapter 6. Fitness Shortcuts. We all know that exercise is important for our physical and mental health, but sometimes it's hard to find the time or the motivation to fit in a full workout. Our lives are busier than ever, with work, family, and social commitments pulling us in every direction. But here's the secret. Staying active doesn't have to mean spending hours at the gym. You can incorporate fitness into your daily routine without even realizing it. There are so many simple ways to sneak in a little movement throughout your day, whether you're at home, at work, or even out and about, even if you only have a few minutes to spare. Small actions can add up to big results over time. Think about it. Taking the stairs instead of the lift, or parking further away from the entrance to get in a few extra steps. Going for a brisk walk during your lunch break, or even just standing up and stretching every hour if you have a desk job, or even just dancing around your living room while you're getting ready in the morning. These small bursts of activity can boost your energy levels, improve your mood, and help you stay fit without feeling like a chore. Remember, the key is consistency. Find what works for you and make it a part of your daily routine. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Chapter 7. Budget-friendly shopping tips. Let's be real, sticking to a budget can be tough, especially when there are so many tempting things to spend our hard-earned money on. But what if I told you that being mindful of your spending doesn't have to mean missing out on the things you love? It's all about making smart choices and finding creative ways to stretch your budget further. From meal planning to savvy sale shopping to embracing the wonderful world of DIY, we're going to uncover some seriously helpful tips that will help you save money without sacrificing your lifestyle. Chapter 8. Efficient cleaning hacks. Cleaning, it's the never-ending chore, isn't it? And while a sparkling clean home is definitely something to strive for, it doesn't have to consume your entire weekend. With a few clever hacks and time-saving tricks up your sleeve, you can make cleaning a breeze, or at least a gentle zephyr. We're talking about everything from utilizing the power of natural cleaning products to creating a cleaning schedule that works for you to finally tackling those dreaded clutter hotspots. Title: Work-Life Balance Strategies. In today's always-on world, it can feel almost impossible to switch off and find that elusive work-life balance. But here's the thing. Achieving a healthier balance isn't about drastically overhauling your entire life. It's about making small but impactful changes that prioritize your well-being. We're talking about setting boundaries between work and personal time, carving out space for activities that bring you joy, and learning to say no. It's a superpower, I promise. Chapter 10. Self-care practices. In the whirlwind of daily life, it's so easy to put ourselves last. But here's a little reminder. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being is crucial for living a happy and fulfilling life. And the best part, self-care doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. It's about incorporating small acts of kindness towards yourself into your daily routine. Think about it. Enjoying a warm bath with your favorite essential oils, curling up with a good book, or simply taking a few minutes to just breathe and be present. Title: Your Effortless Life Awaits. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope these tips help you tackle your daily challenges with ease. Remember, life doesn't have to be a constant struggle. By incorporating a few simple changes and embracing a little effortless living, you can create more time for the things that truly matter. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more effortless solutions. See you next time!